The Ant and the Bird. On a hot summer day, a little ant went down to the river for some water. As the little ant walked to the tip of the leaf to get a drink of water, a sudden gust of wind blew him into the river. "Help! Help! Someone please help!" Nearby, a ratting bird in a tree heard the ant screaming for help and went to see what was going on. "Oh no, little ant, I'm going to throw a leaf. Get on top or it's okay." Thanks to the leaf, the ant was saved, and he was able to make it back onto land again. "Phew, I'm saved. Thank you so much. I will never forget what you did for me." When the little ant looked up to look at the bird, he saw Hunter aiming his bow and Darrow as his new bird friend. "It's a hunter! Friend, watch out! There's a hunter! Quick, fly away, friend! Fly away!" Even after the aunt's cries, the bird still has no clue as to what's going on. The little aunt didn't know what to do except ride the hunter's foot. Ouch! The hunter threw down his bow and arrows and hooked in pan. "Ouch! Ouch!" The screaming startled the bird. He saw the hunter and quickly flew away. "Thank you, and you saved my life." "And you saved mine. Thank you so much."